Riri tirita ria mbere atongoria ya gucemania ceceni nino ya borithi magikuirwo gutuhuka miario ya rumena kuona mwaka muhituku mari hamwe na atongoria angi ana ni mahingiritwo na o ringi mekora kuo thutha wa guikio ngono rucini rwa umuthi. Guikio ngono kwa Eeri aya gukite thiku nini tu thutha wa muikariri wa kamiti ya urumwe na wiguano Francis Ole Kaparo kuruta mukana wa guikia ngono aria mekunyitikana na mahitia ma kwaria miario ingicogera nguii. Akiaria riria egwikinyitie ceceni nino, mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya NASA Raila Odinga niamenereirie guikio ngono kwa Muthama, akiuga thirikari iri na mubango wa guthararia kampeini cia ngwataniro eno.
This is an attempt to cripple my campaign by trying to arrest people who are close to me who are helping me in this campaign, and this is very unfair.
Atongoria matiganite a mwaho wa Jubilee onao ni megwikinyitie makienda Mumbunge wa Gatundu Moses Kuria arekererio na body.
As leaders, yes, we should be responsible. We should bring peace and we should unite people here. At the same time, we cannot be targeting a few people. It is now like Moses Kuria. After every few months, he has to be arrested.
He's my brother. I live Gatundu South, so I'm really very interested. We will not leave, the place. It means a vigil. We are ready for that until we know what the issues are.
Ororingi Eeri aya megukoma ceceni nino ya borithi kinyagia muthenya wa rucio riria gukamenyekana thitango iria imakuriire maitho. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.